Hi, welcome back to Cleaning This Mess. Today, we are cleaning Jay's litter box.
So Gabriel is grounded, so he is going to be helping me clean Jay's litter spot today. So he's going to take out Jay's litter box, go find a hole and pour that in it. Okay. And I'm going to grab this stuff and move it so that we can get the floor mopped right here. Now that I have all that swept, we are going to take our mop and put bleach in it. I do like to bleach where his litter box is. So open the bleach. And then I'm just going to take the mop and mix the bleach up that's in there. Alright, and then we're going to wring it out, and then Gabriel's going to mop because he has his shoes on. While he is mopping, I'm going to take Jay's litter box right here, and I'm going to put some cleaning stuff in it and get this all nice and cleaned out for him so we don't have any germs, cat pee, or cat poop smell in the litter box. Real good. Now that I've got bleach in there, I'm just going to add some hot water and let it soak for a minute before starting to scrub his litter box. Now that the litter box has been sitting there with bleach and water for a minute, Gabriel's going to go dump that out, and then I'm going to take my scrub brush and I'm going to scrub it clean for Jay. Like where the chickens used to be over here on the side of the house right here. Scrub right there. And this is the scrub brush I'm going to use to clean his litter box. Just a little cheap scrub brush from Walmart, and I did use bleach. I told you that bleach and hot water. And then Gabriel's gonna come back in with that, and I'm gonna take this Lysol and then clean it the rest of the way with the Lysol. And I'll call you when I'm done. I just added more hot water to that. Now I'm gonna add this Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner to it. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Now I'm just going to take it and rinse it out to get all the Lysol out, and then I will dry it out with paper towels and add the cat litter. All the water doesn't have to be out. I just like to get like the majority of like the bigger puddles out because the bedding is going in here, so it's going to soak it up. So I just use like 2 paper towels and dry out what I can, and then we're gonna add the bedding. Before starting, I do like to take the bedding and like break it up so it pours easy and we don't make such a big mess. And now then, we're just gonna put everything back into this little spot. The floor is dry. It is clean now. This video. I don't know yet. I gotta figure it out.
What are you having for lunch?
I gotta figure it out.
Candy?
Excuse you. Let me finish this video.
What?
And then you can come over here. Okay?
What?
Okay. And as you saw Samson, the kids are out today. Today they're on winter break. But here's what his little corner looks like. The bedding, the litter box, the little heater, the vacuum cleaner goes over here, but it's not over here. And then the broom hangs up But again, sorry about the lighting, but I hope that you enjoyed this little Cleaning Jay's litter spot with me. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys.